I cut an old coffee maker in half, just to find out which descaler actually works fastest. 10 minutes, 2 products, which one wins? We want better tasting coffee now. I'm testing Dezcal versus Durgol. Same nasty scale, just 10 minutes. Who gets more done? Chopped up the heating element and every piece has the same gross baked on scale. Mixed both products as directed, heated them up, then set the timer for 10 minutes. Way less than a usual soak, but perfect for a busy coffee drinker. On the right, Dezcal. On the left, Durgol. The third was a controlled, just water. I let them simmer, no scrubbing, just a stir halfway through. These are acids, so gloves and goggles are recommended. 10 minutes, triple rinse, then the reveal. I weighed each piece before and after. Here's how much scale each product removed in just 10 minutes. One side blew the other side away. Dezcal removed way more scale, way faster. But here's the twist. Durgol's bottle says you can use it full power if it's a heavy buildup. Maybe I should have tried that first. Another thing is Durgol's safe on aluminum, whereas some people use caution when you're using Dezcal on aluminum surfaces. Better check with your manufacturer's recommendations. If you want fast clean and better coffee, Dezcal's your pick. For deep cleans, a longer soak, or maybe full strength Durgol should do the trick. Got a favorite descaler or a secret hack? Drop your answer in the comments and subscribe for more real-world coffee experiments. Let's help everyone drink better coffee, one experiment at a time.